Right, let's look at this past question. This is a past question. This is a WAEC past question of recent. So we have a cliff on the bank of a river is 87 meters high. A boat on the river is 22 meters away from the foot of the cliff. Calculate, correct to the nearest degree, the angle of depression of the boat from the top of the cliff. Okay, so we say a cliff on the bank of a river is 87 meters high. So we need to draw. So let this be our cliff. A cliff is a vertical structure, high structure. So it said 87 meters high. So 87 meters here, 87 meters. Okay, we have our cliff, 87 meters high. This vertical structure, high structure. You could put it here or you could put it on the left of your page. It doesn't matter. So a boat on the river is 22 meters away from the foot. So let this be the top of our cliff and the foot of our cliff. So this is foot, 22 meters. So you draw a horizontal line 22 meters away. So our boat is somewhere here. Boat. Draw a boat, possibly on the river. So these are boats on the river. Boats. Okay, boats. That's our boat. So our boat is there and it's 22 meters away from the foot. So this foot of the cliff. Okay, so we have our boat, which is 22 meters away from the foot. So I'll show you 22 meters. So our boat. So boat now says calculate correct to the nearest degree the angle of depression. The angle of depression of the boat from the top of the cliff. So this is the top of our cliff. So if it's the horizontal, the eye level, this is the eye level of whoever is observing, the observer at the top of the cliff. This is eye level, this horizontal line. Then this is how it's going to look down. So it's the top here looking down on the boat. So this is horizontal level, it looks down. So it's an angle of depression. It's an angle of depression. It's coming down. So you can symbolize it by alpha. All right. So we have this angle of depression. The angle of depression of, I've symbolized it, I've used alpha, you could use any other symbol. So you have to realize that anytime you have this angle of depression, it forms a Z angle, because you have to assume that this eye level of the observer right here at the top of the cliff is parallel to this distance from the foot of the cliff to where the boat is. So the alpha here, the angle here, should be equal to the angle here. So this forms a right angle triangle. And for right angle triangles, we can always apply Pythagoras to solve whatever we're looking for. So in this case, we are looking for the alpha itself. Okay. Okay. So we have the right angle triangle is here. So let alpha be the angle of depression. So these are alpha. So it forms the right angle. So we'll always ask ourselves, which of SOHCAHTOA, the trigonometric ratio SOHCAHTOA, connects what you are given. So we're looking for alpha, right? So we can always apply. We have this side is opposite to this side, and then this side is adjacent to the angle. This side is opposite to this angle here, and this side is adjacent to the angle. So we have opposite and adjacent. So we have these values. We're looking for alpha. So just tan alpha, apply your tan alpha. It's 7/22. Find the inverse tan. To get the angle itself, find the inverse tan. It gives you that. So 6.